S of 1 over 1 minus r. So, S of 9 equals 2 over 1 minus 1 third. So, 1 S of 9 equals 2 over 2. So the final answer is S of 9 equals 2. So, let's proceed for number 1. As part of the performance bonus in a certain company, an employer may earn in 1% increase every month. Rika earns 20,000 every month. How much will she earn after? The given is base of 1 is 20,000 and the R is 0.1 equals 1.01. The N is 12 months. Formula. S of N equals S of 1 multiplied by 1 minus raised to the power of N over 1 minus R. So, S of 12 equals 20,000 multiplied by 1 minus 1.01 raised to the power of 12 over 1 minus 1.01. S of 12 equals 20,000 multiplied by 1 minus 1.126825 over negative 0.01. So S of 12 equals 20,000 multiplied by negative 0.126825 over 0.01. So the S of 12